Good morning. Welcome to week 8. Last week of distance learning here. So nothing's changing as far as attendance. Still log on, get your daily attendance done. We're going to meet again on Wednesday. This will be our last face-to-face meeting. So Wednesday at our normal time, 10:15 to 11, we'll have our video meet. This week you got 2 assignments. We're going to finish up personal finance. So you got an assignment 1 on mortgage and buying a home. And a mortgage is a loan that you would take out when you buy a piece of property or a home. So we're going to look at kind of comparing 2 mortgages, starting with a larger, more expensive home versus starting with a smaller home, and kind of what that can mean for building long-term wealth. So that'll be one assignment that we do, the first one, and then assignment 2 we're going to look at credit cards. It's going to be kind of short, and I have them both being down here is due on Wednesday, but the second one is due on Thursday, May 20th. Yeah, Thursday, May 21st we'll go with. We'll finish up the semester on Friday. You'll have to take the personal finance assessment. It's going to be relatively short. And we'll talk on Wednesday what'll be on that final personal finance assessment. We're not going to have a final exam. So we will just go with our quiz or assessment on Friday over the personal finance stuff that we've done the last 2 weeks. So that is the week, and real quick, just wanted to have you look at these. When we look at these 2 assignments, and you open them up, so you'll see this. This mortgage comparison exercise is going to kind of give you the instructions. So we're going to look at the difference between a $260,000 home and a $120,000 home, and when we're doing that, we're going to use this down here. This is our mortgage calculator. So when you click on this, it'll take you out of the site. You might have to, now it takes you out. So yeah, this is going to show you different costs associated with your mortgage. And I'll put a video together here shortly on how this works, but just understand you are going to need to use that mortgage calculator for that assignment. And for the assignment number 2, I got to get the instructions in there. I'll do that quick. Yeah, I was going to show you those, and I don't have them saved. So I'll get those in there quick so you can see what exactly that you have to do. I was just going to show you need to use the credit card calculator for that. All right, I'll get that up here shortly, but that's the week.